Hello friends, welcome to the Kochi Biennale Pavillion at the Manorama Hortus Art and Literature Festival in beautiful Calicut. Today, we are diving into a vibrant world of art and creativity. The Kochi Biennale is India's first biennial of international contemporary art, held every 2 years in Kochi, Kerala. Founded in 2012, it showcases diverse artworks across various mediums, including installations, paintings, and performances from both Indian and international artists. This pavilion, inaugurated on October 28, 2024, showcases over 300 artworks from 43 talented artists from Kerala. Curated by Bose Krishnamachari, S.N. Sujit and P.S. Jalaja, it serves as a platform for local artists to connect with their community. As we explore, you will notice the diversity of themes, multiplicity, vulnerability, and the process of creativity. Each piece tells a unique story about war, displacement, and healing through art. These artists use various materials and mediums to express their perspectives. From vibrant colors to intricate designs, each artwork invites us to reflect on our shared humanity. Art has the power to bring people together and heal. This space is essential for our community. This pavilion allows the artists to showcase their work without leaving their homeland. It's a dream come true for many of them. initiative is sponsored by Maitra Hospital, aiming to create sustainable opportunities for local artists. It's about celebrating Malabar's untapped potential and fostering artistic growth right here. The Kochi Biennale Pavillion is a testament for the resilience and passion of artists in this region. This pavilion is not just an exhibition, it's a gathering place for ideas and inspiration. Visitors are encouraged to interact with the art and participate in discussions. Take a moment to soak in the atmosphere. Feel the energy of creativity surrounding you. I highly recommend visiting this incredible place. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the Kochi Biennale Pavilion at Manorama Hortus.